cinnamon apple. You was my cinnamon apple. My lips is like so fucking dry. Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a different type of video. Excuse my raspy voice. I had a turned up weekend, so it's like a little fucked up. I'm gonna do a different type of video. I'm actually going to be repairing my thinning locks. I do feel like a couple of my locks are a little bit thin, so I'm actually going to be joining them together. So I feel like these locks are like a little bit thin. This one is really thin, as you can see. This lock is really thin too, and this is also thin. What I will be doing is actually sewing the locks together. I'm gonna sew one lock to a lock that is next to it, so probably these two. I'm gonna sew these two locks together and we're gonna have one big lock. I'm taking a sewing needle and sewing thread, and we are going to patch this baby up. I personally don't like thin locks at all. Like, I'm just scared. Like, I'm just scared. So I'm gonna take the lock. I'm gonna take my needle and thread. I'm going to sew it together at the beginning. I personally don't care if there's thread in my hair. I just want the lock to be joined, so when they do grow together, I can eventually cut one of the ends off. So yeah. So after I join the locks with thread, I'm going to take some Afro Kinky bulk hair. This is the Vivica A. Fox collection. It was a lot of money. It was $30, but this is when I used to have my faux locks. I'm just going to take a little piece of hair and fuse the dreads together. And then we're going to find a piece. We're going to take a little piece. Little piece. And there you have it. Fuse the lock. I'm not gonna cut it off. I'm not gonna cut one of them off yet because I want to make sure that they lock. So I'm gonna make sure that these lock within a couple months, and then I'm going to snip it off. I just want to make sure that everything is fused, turns into one. come back and show you guys how I twist it when I do twist up the locks that I did join, because now we have two. I also got a video on my channel about how I deep condition, wash, retwist, things that I use for my hair and so forth. I'm going to link them below so you guys can just go to that video if you need any type of a reference. So yeah. So I am officially done with my hair, my retwisting. If you guys want to see how I twist my hair, I'm going to leave the video of how I retwist my hair with the 2-stranded twist in the description box for those of you who do want to watch. So yeah, this is pretty much it. The ones that are double do look a little bit thicker than the other ones because it is 3 dreads in one. So that's perfectly fine with me. I don't mind. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.